Hey there, let's make some pudding cookies. You're gonna need some Bisquick and some vanilla instant pudding. I did 3.4 ounce package. Then we're just gonna put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them up. This recipe is, I think, the easiest one we've made yet on my cookie series. And don't worry, the recipe is at the end of the video, so stick around to see that at the end. When it comes time to make the cookies, this dough is very pliable, so it's really easy to shape. I used a teaspoon measure and just rolled the dough in my hand, and I just used my fingers and pressed it flat. The recipe said you could decorate these cookies any way you wanted. I had some gold glitter that I thought would be really pretty for the holidays, so I just went really simple with that. But of course, if you have kids, they could get as creative as they want decorating. Once you're done decorating your cookie, you're going to bake at 350 degrees for about 6 minutes. Of course, this is one of those cookies you don't want to over bake. They're really soft and they have that really delicate vanilla taste. It's really an awesome cookie. It's not too sweet. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It was so fun to make for you guys, and make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos that I make, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. Thank you so much. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.